Hi, my name's Skye. See if you can answer each question before I do. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 threes. 30. 2 fours. 8. 2 twos. 4. 3 twos. 6. 10 twos. 20. 10 fives. 50. 4 twos. 8. 6 twos. 12. 10 fours. 40. 9 twos. 18. 4 tens. 40. 2 fives. 10. 2 sixes. 12. 3 tens. 30. 2 nines. 18. 2 tens. 20. 2 threes. 6. 5 tens. 50. Well done, you! Now try Math Trainer at mathisfun.com.